Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best kombucha starter kits.
Starting at number 5.
The Complete Kombucha. Fermentaholics has 3 levels of kombucha brewing kits, so you can choose the number of extras you need. If all you want is the basics, their organic complete set includes a glass brewing vessel, cover, rubber band, organic cane sugar, organic tea blend, SCOBY and starter tea, pH test strips, thermometer sticker, and a flavoring guide. Once your kombucha is ready, you'll need to bottle it, and if you want that fizzy, effervescent kick that you get from store-bought Bucha, you'll need bottles that were designed to allow for natural carbonation. The Deluxe kit comes with everything in the basic set as well as 7 swing-top bottles, a funnel, and a bottle brush for easy cleaning.
Coming at number 4.
Bucha Brewers Kombucha. For a kit on a budget that still has everything you need to get started, go with Bucha Brewers. You're not paying for bells whistles you don't need. It comes with a SCOBY and starter tea, glass brewing vessel, black tea blend, cane sugar, reusable tea bag, 2 coffee filter covers, rubber band, thermometer sticker, and a box of 80 pH test strips. You also get simple but clear instructions to get you started. Most kits have some kind of cloth cover, but honestly, I prefer these coffee filter ones. They're the perfect size and shape and have a tighter weave that lets air through but very little else.
At number 3.
Northern Brewer. If big glass jars are too boring for you, check out this barrel-shaped jar in the Northern Brewers kit, which brings in thoughts of wine or whiskey casks. The vessel is larger than most on here, with a capacity of 1.75 gallons. It comes with everything you need, including enough tea and cane sugar for 2 1-gallon batches, SCOBY with starter tea, reusable tea brewing ball, cloth cover, rubber band, pH test strips, round thermometer sticker, pipette, and funnel.
Number 2 of my list.
Home Brewing Starter Kit. This simple and affordable kombucha starter kit from A Brew includes the tools and ingredients you need to brew 1 gallon of kombucha at a time. It comes with a 1-gallon glass jar, which is the safest material for brewing your kombucha. It's also nice because you can easily see what is going on in there. The jar has the Humble Bumble Kombucha logo on it, which spruces up the jar with a trendy bee image. You also get a Humble Bumble cloth cover for the jar and elastic band. For brewing, you get loose leaf organic black tea, organic cane sugar, and a claim code for a packet including a SCOBY and around 1 cup of starter tea. Depending on timing, your SCOBY will either be sent with your kit to you or you'll get a claim code so you can get one sent out fresh. An instruction booklet guides you through the process of brewing.
And number 1.
Deluxe Organic Kombucha. If you truly want to get everything you need in one stop, then you want the Deluxe kit from the Kombucha shop. It includes everything you need to brew as well as bottle your kombucha. It's a little pricier than some of the other kits, but you don't see many kits that include both a glass brewing vessel as well as 6 glass swing-top bottles for your second fermentation, which is where you get all those lovely bubbles and when you can flavor your kombucha. The glass 1-gallon jar comes with a cloth cover, rubber band, and has a section printed on it for brewing notes, date, and type of tea. They even include a dry erase marker for writing in your notes.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.